All right, what is going on, everybody? Welcome back to this channel. My name is Vitaliy Dubinin, and today we're going to talk about the recent pullback of Bitcoin that is creating juicy prices for a lot of altcoins that you can get on cheaper right now. Why Bitcoin can reach up to $1 million according to some experts, and some incredible news, as well as what very small altcoins that I am buying right now, increasing my bags for the 2024-2025 bull run. Let's get it started, guys. So we are seeing right now a small pullback in the global crypto market of minus 1.75%. We're seeing Bitcoin is trading right now below $41,000, and we are seeing if we're gonna close this day below this candle, we are definitely here have a possibility to break out even lower, maybe $39,000 for Bitcoin, which is not going to be something out of the usual. We're seeing pullbacks, like a small pullback we're seeing right now is 8%. It can go all the way to 12%, 15%. It's going to be bought up because the market is very, very bullish right now. And I'll tell you why. We see the crypto markets today is in the red. Most of the coins are in the red, which is a tremendous opportunity for those that miss out on some of the great altcoins to get into. You can actually get into them right now at a cheaper price before the bull market. Accumulate dollar cost average, of course, but we're seeing most of the markets are in the red right now, and it is okay. This the dips in the bull market is the opportunity to buy more, to load more, to increase your crypto portfolio. This is what the dips are for in the bull market. In the bull market, you need to be bullish. In the bear market, you need to be bearish. But right now, I'm going to show you why we are in the pre-bull phase and where we are right now exactly, and how you can capitalize on it. Okay, so looking globally, looking at the weekly, we are of course in a very bullish uptrend. You know, nothing really changed here on the weekly time zone. If you look at the monthly, we are of course on a bullish trend. So it's only on the lower time frames like the daily we are bearish today, but overall we are bullish. I told about Bonk. Remember Bonk? We'll talk about Bonk a little later today. Bonk has a rise because of all these listings on Coinbase and Binance, and just like with Pepe, you know, I told you guys that what I'm expecting with Bonk is once it's gonna be listed, it's gonna dump. So that's exactly what happened. They pumped it to this level, and now it is actually down from this level about 44%. Yeah, so it's highly volatile coin. So we see approaching US elections in April 2024, and Donald Trump right now in his commercial is basically you know, saying that during his election time, the stock market has pumped. So that is his one of his campaigns. So he is interested to pump the stock market, and many analysts say that the Federal Reserve is going to cut interest rates, and start printing more money again, which is a good thing. It's a good thing for the markets. The stock market can go up, and it's a good thing for Bitcoin as well. So looking at where we are, the Bitcoin ETF approvals aren't priced in, the halving isn't priced in, more nation state adoption isn't priced in, renewal of quantitative easing is priced in, which means the printing of US dollars, the multiplier isn't priced in. So we have a lot of things has not priced in, and Bitcoin can go much higher. Look at this Van X CEO tells CNBC Bitcoin is the obvious asset that is growing up in front of our eyes.
So what drove it? It was me, but you know, listen, gold, you know, my dad started the firm with the first gold fund in the United States, and so store of value investing is in our DNA. And I said, oh man, what's this Bitcoin thing? And I knew about it, you know, and I said, well, we've got to do the deep dive. So I listened to the podcasts, read the white paper, and I said, no, this is going to be an accompaniment of gold. And, you know, when I try to talk to people who are so doubtful about Bitcoin, I said, listen, that was in 2017, it was $3,000 a Bitcoin. It's up 10x from now. It's just Why are you surprised? Like, remember China? Like, large parts of China were completely undeveloped and unindustrialized 30 years ago, but things change, right? And so I think Bitcoin is the obvious asset that is growing up in front of our eyes.
I guess the two, and take me.
So that's, guys, what is happening right now. And Vanik CEO, which is they're managed $76 billion. He's saying Bitcoin is the obvious asset that is growing up in front of our eyes. So many people are listening to him. And BlackRock met again with the SEC yesterday to discuss a spot Bitcoin ETF. So stuff is coming. It is coming. Check it out. It's incredible, right? It just happened a couple of days ago. Bitcoin spot ETF is coming. So the mentality you need to adopt, I agree with Kevin Svensson. If you're here, if you have FOMO, fear of missing out during pumps, which means you're buying during its pumping, like you buying bond here during its crazy, insane valuations pump, okay? And if you have fear during the dumps, you're not gonna make it. Reverse instincts are required in the markets, okay? Turn on your brain, turn off your mind. So in other words, buy right now when the market is down, when the market is in the double digit going down. That's where you should buy more, load more, not to sell, but buy more. Dollar cost average, that's how you win. And every buy you have documented so you see exactly where you stand and what you're winning, not winning, losing or not losing. Like, you need to document everything. Look at this Fidelity investment company. They expect direct crypto product to be offered to their employer customers in conjunction with their 401k product. This is going to be injections of liquidity into the Bitcoin and crypto markets like you've never seen before, with $10,000 billion is going to be injected, like $10 trillion into these markets literally in the next couple of years. So do not miss out. In the bull market, you need to be bullish. Like, look at this, the bear mentality. Oh yeah, Bitcoin is going to go to $10,000. Okay, of course. Then it went all the way to 25k. Then it went down to 20k. Like I said, $10,000 soon. And then it's already 26k, 30k. Told you so. Told you so. Watch out. Watch and learn. Told you so. They're saying the same things right now. The bears. Not good. Not good. And according to crypto analysts, Bitcoin could hit $1 million in days of weeks after spot ETF approval, according to Samson Mao, the CEO of Gen 3. Now, I'm not sure about that, about $1 million. I think he's wrong, but it shows you how bullish the sentiment is. Arthur Hayes, the ex-CEO of BitMEX, repeats $1 million price bet, so maybe we're not bullish enough. I mean, where we are right now, we're in this pre-bull market. The halving is approaching. The halving is approaching upon us, and we are not in this phase of parabolic yet, right? The bull market. We're like in a pre-bull phase, which lasted a year and a half, and the bull parabolic phase is upon us. Right now is the time to prepare. It's time to prepare. What happened with Bonk and Solana Sagaphone? They were flying, even selling at $2,000. Some people on eBay were selling it for $2,000 because it was loaded with 30 million Bonk tokens airdrop. Pretty nice. That really helped the sales of these phones, because they didn't want the phone. Obviously, they want the Bonk airdrop that comes with the phone. And check this out. Bonk actually was like an airdrop. Like the developers received airdrop of the Bonk that was worth like $500,000 right now. But the developers that worked on the Solana phone received an airdrop. It's crazy. And Solana flips Ethereum in 24 hours DEX volume for the first time in history. By the way, where is Ultron right now? ULX is actually holding. ULX on the day is minus 0.33%. So looking very good. We're holding up the ULX, and things are looking quite well. Ready for the big pump. A big pump that I anticipate. ULX is gonna go to 20 cents in January. That's my prediction. Let's see. I'm excited. We're seeing the growing interest. Like, look at this, for the layer 2 user base. More and more users are in the ecosystem. We have Ethereum. Ethereum is underpriced right now as well because it's a deflationary coin. Look, it's deflationary. Like, every year there is less and less and less Ethereum that is there in the supply. So it's quite good. It's quite healthy, and I love it. I love it. So which coins I'm eyeing right now for, like, small cap, very small cap. Okay, so one of them is ULX. You can pick it up. Another one in my portfolio is I'm gonna load up more today, is GameSwift. Now GameSwift is like a development studio. It's in the gaming sphere. You can see the tags. Gaming is a modular blockchain network compromising the gaming optimized layer 1 and ZK EVM rollups. It's down 15% today. Overall this year it's been on a healthy uptrend, so I'm gonna be DCAing and buying more GameSwift right now, getting ready for the big bull market that is coming. Another one that I'm gonna be buying, small coin is a Connex Network. Connex Network is another one. Open protocol allows developers to build applications that can live on every chain and be used with every token. Is another very small layer 1 blockchain. It's currently trading at 20 cents. And another one I'm buying is Nexa, small one, also layer 1 blockchain, 0001. Yeah, Nexo is a proof of work layer 1 blockchain. So this one also can fly. It's right now very tiny market cap, $22 million, very tiny. So this one can fly because they have good technology. And I'm also buying in the Hive Mapper. So this one right here, trading at 23 cents right now. Hive Mapper is like a decentralized global mapping network that rewards its contributors for collecting high volume 4K street level imagery with dash cams through a drive to earn model. So I think drive to earn model is gonna explode in the next 2 years, and yeah, just getting in at the beginning. Another one I like is Demo. I'm gonna buy some more. It's trading on Coinbase as well. So what is Demo? Is again, in this drive to earn, vehicle owners use Demo to get more out of their cars. Demo apps allow them to collect, use, and monetize the data from their vehicles. So this drive to earn, I believe, can really do some magic in this bull market. So this is just some of them, some of the altcoins I'm gonna be picking up today. Obviously Solana is one of them. Solana is down today to $67. So it's taking a breather, -7%. So might be a good time to buy some more Solana as it's dipping right now. Because Solana, I think, is gonna go to $200, $300, $400 at least, or $500 in this bull cycle. We can do another 10x from here, based on the ecosystem and how fast it is growing. So yeah, exciting times ahead. I hope you're excited and you're getting ready for this bull market. This bull market that is coming. It's gonna be exciting bull market that is gonna print life-changing gains. Trade with being careful. Don't use too much leverage, and buy for the long term. Buying, holding is usually more profitable and less stress strategy in the bull market to make a lot of money. Okay. So with that being said, guys, hope you have a fantastic day, fantastic week. I'm gonna see you in the next episode of Today in Crypto Show.